Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Rita and I'm a digital marketer. In today's video we are going to learn about a LinkedIn platform and we're going to see how do we use it in order to find a job. So let's start. For those of you who are not familiar with LinkedIn yet, let's talk a little bit about social media platforms. I'm sure you know what it is. Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram and other different platforms that are out there. Those are all social media platforms, as is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is also a social media platform, but it's really for professionals, which means that you can post pictures of your friends or drinking beer or just anything that you would like into LinkedIn. You need to post only professional content and you need to use only classy pictures. That's what LinkedIn is all about. You need to look professional on this network. Technically speaking, you're building your resume profile on LinkedIn and that's how you use it. You use it to find different companies, to find employees in different companies and to create contacts with those people. It's basically networking, but a professional one. So in today's video, we are going to go through LinkedIn job searching options and we're going to see how do we use it in order to find a perfect job for you. So let's go to the computer. I'm not going to show you today how to build your LinkedIn profile. I will make a separate video for that. And in this video, we are just going to go over the job menu. So right now we are in our LinkedIn. It looks exactly as Facebook. You do have a feed on the homepage and you can see all the different posts from different users. Then you have your profile on your left and even some ads on your right. So exactly as Facebook. The job menu here you can find here on the upper tab. So we have jobs and we're going to just click on it right away. If you create your profile correctly and you choose all the different skills and things you're interested in, LinkedIn will recommend jobs to you based on that information. But for now, we are just going to look for different jobs. We have a search menu that has just two search bars. We have search by title, skill or company, and then we can search by city, state or zip code. So I'm going to go ahead and write marketing, for example. So marketing, and I'm going to choose a city. So let's say London in UK. And here we go. We have 9,604 results and I want to filter it out to leave only relevant jobs for me because there's too many jobs here to go over. So I'm going to use all filters button on my right here, and here are my filters. So first filter is sort by, and I can sort it by most relevant or most recent. As I said before, if you fill in your profile correctly, LinkedIn will recommend jobs to you. So you can leave it sorted by most relevant because those are most relevant jobs according to your skills. As for most recent jobs, I'm using the next filter here, date posted, and you can choose whenever the job that you're looking for was posted. So let's say if this is your first search, you can choose past week. If I'm going to choose past month, I think it's too much time for a job to be posted, so usually I do use past week and even past 24 hours, but it's only in the cases if you're looking for a job on a daily basis, so you want to use this option. Then as for the salary, I really don't concentrate my attention here, so I'm missing that filter. LinkedIn features. Since we didn't speak about different features in this video, I'm going to leave it as it is, and you don't want to limit yourself to different options, so just leave it as it is as well. Then there's the job type. Job type, up to you, according to what you're looking for. If you're looking for a full-time, volunteer, temporary, well, up to you, choose whatever works for you. If you're choosing a big location as London, like a huge city, a capital city, then you will have different locations inside London, so you can select different locations as well. And now you can choose different companies which you want to work with. So you can do that if you're looking for anything specific or specific industry, for example. If you only want to work with computer software or information technology and services, you can choose those industries. Then there is a job function. If you know what is your perfect job function, you can choose it, or you can leave it as blank if you don't want to limit yourself. Another important thing here in a job filter is experience. You definitely want to go over this one. If you don't have a lot of experience in the field, you better choose entry level or internship. That way you will have more chances to get a job. And then you need to choose experience according to your level. And there is even title, or there are a lot of remote jobs right now. So if you finished with that, you just click apply. Now, as you can see, we have much less results here, but still enough. So on our left, we have different job titles. We can click on any of them. We also can see which company is offering this position. For example, director, global business marketing. Facebook is actually offering this position in London. And on our right, we can apply to that job. If we really like what we see in here, if the description is really suitable to us and so on, you can scroll down to read all the details, your responsibilities, their responsibilities, what are they offering, and so on. So if everything sounds good to you, you just click apply. In this case, it's easy apply. For this job, for example, it's only apply. So if I'm going to click apply here, I'm definitely going to go to another website. So let's just test it. No, I'm not going to send my details to this job for now, but in case you're looking for it, you need to click apply and then just go ahead and follow the steps that LinkedIn will offer you. So this is how you look for jobs on LinkedIn. It's very easy. You have a lot of different options. You can choose different experiences types. You can choose different positions, full job, part-time job, and even remote jobs. So there are a lot of different options to choose from. And it's the best way to look for a job right now because it's going directly to the company. It's a fresh job that company just posted, so you will be first in line. So I think it's the best way to do it, and I recommend you to try it. I personally use LinkedIn a lot and I think it's a great platform. There was even a time when I found a job in another country and it's much easier to do via LinkedIn because there are a lot of different options. So if you didn't try it yet, I recommend you to do so. That's it from me today. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know in the comments below if you still have any questions about what we just saw today. And if you do enjoyed my video, please click that like button or even subscribe to my channel in order not to miss anything important that comes up here every week. And I see you next time. Goodbye.